Our HR series includes a wide variety of handheld refractometers with dedicated scales for almost all sample types. The instruments are delivered in compact hard cases with all accessories needed for calibration and sample measurement. A.KRÜSS handheld refractometers feature automatic temperature compensation, easily readable scale ranges, a robust and compact design, as well as easy calibration and adjustment. Depending on the specific scale of the device, select either water or a reference quartz when calibrating. If calibrating with water, fold up the cover plate, put a few drops of distilled water on the prism while holding the device horizontally, and close the cover plate. Please check that no bubbles or impurities are visible before proceeding. After adding water, wait 5 seconds and then point the refractometer with its prism towards a light source. In the eyepiece, a bright area and a dark area are visible, which are divided by a sharp edge. This edge must be located precisely on the zero line. If not, adjust the device with the supplied screwdriver by turning the adjustment screw until the edge is aligned with the zero line. Then remove the water from the prism. Your handheld refractometer is now ready for use. If you perform the calibration with a calibration quartz, put a drop of an appropriate contact oil on the transparent side of the glass block and then place it with the oil side upon the center of the prism. You can place the cover flap loosely onto the glass block or leave the prism open. Now point the prism surface towards a light source and turn the adjustment screw to set the scale value specified in the instructions. Alternatively, note the observed value and take it into account as an offset for sample measurements. After completing the adjustment or calibration, clean the prism. Your instrument is now ready for measurements. For sample measurement, apply enough sample volume to the prism surface so that it is covered by a thin liquid film free of bubbles or impurities once the cover plate is closed. Point the prism towards a light source and read the displayed value. At the end of your measurement, clean the prism surface thoroughly. Depending on your sample, water, isopropanol, undenatured ethanol, or acetone can be used. With their ease of use and high-quality optics, our handheld refractometers are ideal for portable measurements. A.KRÜSS Optronic, measuring quality since 1796.